What's up everyone, it's Narita the creator. Please don't mind this huge pimple on my face, I know. But anyway, I am going to alter this large jumpsuit into a small, well-fitted jumpsuit. I'm doing this for a photo shoot. It's like a 70s style type of photo shoot. And the photographer, shout out to, I'll put her information right here. But it's my girl, Jessica. She's about to do a photo shoot. And I'm really excited to be a part of this. Yeah, anyways, I gotta alter this jumpsuit and I'm bringing you guys with me because I've never done this before. I've never really altered something at such a large size into something that'll fit for me, especially a jean jumpsuit. Like, but she really wanted me to wear this specific jumpsuit, so I am going to do my alterations and hopefully it comes out good. Also, y'all, stay tuned for the next video. It will be a video of me doing my hair, styling it for the photo shoot. The third video will be the photo shoot itself. So hopefully you guys enjoy the whole process. I'm excited for it. Let's hope we get some very fire vibey photos out of all of this work. Alright you guys, so in this clip I'm just showing you guys how big the jumpsuit is on me. You can see that it's not necessarily flattering or hugging my body. It's too long, and in the next few clips I'm going to show you guys how I fix that. I don't do anything with the length because the way that I just take it in, it kind of takes away some length. So plus I wear it with high heels, so it worked out. But if you really need to, just cut the hems and make it shorter and then sew it back to make it look like it was never cut. But anyway, go ahead and sit back and enjoy the video. Here I am going to iron my jumpsuit from the inside out just to make it easier for me to make my markings and to put in the pins and to be able to sew smoothly and comfortably. So I did that, and I also did my markings. I did about like an inch away from the, I don't know the terminology, but from where it was sewn. The waist of the jumpsuit is 30 inches and my waist is 26 inches. So I basically just took 2 inches out, so it'll be like 28 inches because I needed some wiggle room, you know, so I could be able to move around. But later on, I did find out that it was not enough wiggle room, given that it's a jumpsuit, and the bust size does make a huge difference. And I didn't really take that under consideration. So I went back. You won't be able to see it later on because I didn't get a video of it, but I had to go back and basically take out ½ an inch from the measurement that I already did, and then remove the stitch from the first inch that I measured out in the beginning. So I had to basically redo it all over again. So you're just gonna have to pin it up. I wanted to try it on, but it was a really dumb idea because I ended up stabbing myself after putting in all of those pins. Look guys, I don't really know what I'm doing. Like, I'm gonna be very honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to figure it out and hope that it works for me. So this is just what I did all the way around. You're gonna see the video. I don't really have anything else to explain. You can just watch what I'm doing and see how it worked out. This might not apply to everything, but this is applying to this specific situation with a jean material and a jumpsuit, because there's no tutorials on how to do this. And because of that, I'm making a video of me completely winging it, because if there's no tutorial, I'm gonna give you a video of me winging it because you might be able to get something out of this. So here it is, guys. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully you learned something, and if you didn't, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys towards the end, and yeah. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
clear. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing 60 slides in both ears. Ice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. No, she wanna rhyme when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself with Jay and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit.
Do a spin.
Do you like these?
Trust me.
It's just because of how it'll. Alright you guys, so this is how it turned out before I went back and fixed the stitch. And let me tell y'all, my body was snatched, but a girl could not breathe, y'all. So I had to go back and fix it because I was not going to be able to sit down or do a single thing. But yeah guys, this is how the jumpsuit came out, and I'm so proud of myself because it looks beautiful on me. It looks fitted. It looks tea, okay? But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.
Second chance.